Hello friends, and welcome to Big T's 3-Minute Market Minder. Today I want to talk to you about the importance of buy up to prices, having price discipline. Now, this is a chart of Bitcoin. Early in 2016, I came out and I recommended Bitcoin. It was at about $450 a Bitcoin. It gunned up to $750. And I think at the time we had a buy up to of 600, and I said, you know what, look, let's just be patient. It'll come in, which it absolutely did. You saw Bitcoin come up to 750. It went down to 5 and change, and then we saw some really good things developing in the Bitcoin arena, and then we actually upped our buy up to $1,000. And you saw kind of Bitcoin just kind of move around here a little bit and then start to really move up towards the end of the year and then just have this explosive movement up here to over 1,100. Now, over the last 2 weeks, I've received, I would say, hundreds of emails, people asking me, is it too late to buy Bitcoin? You know, should I ignore your buy up to price? And I will say the same thing I've always said, you know, is that Bitcoin and any cryptocurrency is going to be wildly volatile. You do not need to chase it. If you are just patient, you will see Bitcoin come back below our buy up to price, and that is exactly what has happened now. We have seen Bitcoin prices go up to 1,100, and they're now trading at around 850. So back below our buy up to. Bitcoin is a buy. If you do not own any Bitcoin, I strongly recommend you get at least a little bit. And even if you just want a dollar cost average into Bitcoin, it's very cheap to buy it. The transaction fees are incredibly low, and you can buy $10 worth or $20 worth or $50 worth, any level that you feel comfortable with. But the key is do not chase it. It's not necessary. This is an incredibly volatile asset. We saw that early in 2016 when we went from 450 to 750 and then down to 5 and change. We're seeing that again now. Okay, so do not allow yourself to get too caught up in the day-to-day movements. Now, as to why Bitcoin is suddenly having a sell-off, the reason being is that action out of China, Chinese regulators are starting to get a little concerned about how Chinese nationals are using Bitcoin to escape Chinese capital controls. Now, this is nothing new. The Chinese have been doing this for years, using Bitcoin as a way to safely hide their money from the Chinese. Now, the Chinese can get upset about it, but there's really not a lot that they can do. So what I think we're seeing here in Bitcoin, a bit of a knee-jerk reaction, and quite frankly, we needed this sell-off. I don't like it when an asset price goes up in a straight line because it's really not a sustainable move. This is very normal action. I like it. I'd even like to see it come in a little bit more, waffle around, and then really set the stage for another move higher. Okay, friends, so the key takeaway from this, never chase, always buy below the buy up to, and I will catch up with you in the next video. I want you to always remember, let the game come to you.